Caïn ne s'est pas prostitué.
Cain did not fornicate.
Il n'a pas volé.
He did not steal.
Mais Dieu punit Caïn
But God
à
punished him
cause de la jalousie.
because of jealousy.
Ce sont des choses invisibles
These are invisible
que l'homme ne
things
peut pas voir.
that a man cannot see.
Beaucoup de gens ont manqué à progresser dans la vie
Many people missed to
à
progress
cause
in
de la
life
jalousie.
because of jealousy.
Sois fier de ce que tu es.
Be proud of what you have.
Contente-toi de ce que tu es.
Content yourself with what you are.
La jalousie, c'est envier quelque chose qui ne t'appartient pas.
Jealousy is to envy something that does not
Point
belong to
comme
you.
Ayayo.
For it to become
Si
yours.
tu vois ton frère
If you see your brother
qui excelle dans la vie,
who's going forward in
pour
life,
jalouser était.
do not be jealous of
Pose-lui
him.
la question.
Ask him a question.
Ndeko,
Brother,
comment tu évolues?
how come you go
Qu'est-ce
further?
que je peux faire aussi
What can I do
pour
also
évoluer?
to go further?
You
just find someone. You change your way of looking. Just in this country, the way we go back in Congo, that's when we know one another.
Na Congo,
In Congo, where were you? Everybody living in the expensive suburbs. There is no one from Soweto. You see us with that street of Zuma.
Disons 3 fois amen.
Let's say amen 3 times.
Il tue son frère
He killed his
parce
brother
que Dieu avait agréé son
because
offrande
God was pleased with his
à
offering
cause de la jalousie.
because of jealousy.
La jalousie tue.
Jealousy kills.
C'est ce qui a fait que
This is what did
la
that.
communauté congolaise
The Congolese
n'a
community
pas beaucoup évolué
did not go further
à cause de la jalousie.
because of jealousy.
Je vous dis souvent,
Often I'm telling you,
en 2002 et 2001,
in 2001,
les
2002,
Éthiopiens que vous voyez ici,
Ethiopians that you see
ils vendaient des tomates.
were selling tomatoes.
Tomates.
Tomatoes.
Il y a bâti 3 tomates
3 tomatoes
dans un plateau en plastique, 1 rand.
in a plate.
Mais
Plastic
aujourd'hui,
plate, 1 rand. But
va
today,
évoluer.
they've gone further.
Combien d'Éthiopiens font la sécurité?
How many Ethiopians are working as
Parce
security guards?
qu'ils s'aiment.
Because they love one another.
Lorsqu'un Éthiopien vient,
When an Ethiopian
les autres
comes,
basangisi mbongo.
others they will
Basungi ye.
collect some money
What
and
can
help
they
him
do?
for him to go further.
Mais nous,
But us,
quand quelqu'un monte,
when someone goes
olingi
up,
boyeba.
we will try
Azwaka
to know.
mbongo wapi?
Where does he get his money from?
Asalaka nini?
What does he do?
Donc c'est comme si
As if
le Dieu de la Bible
the God of the
ne
Bible
bénit pas.
does not bless.
Qui vous a dit ça?
Who has told you that?
Dans la Bible,
In the Bible,
Abraham,
Abraham,
trop riche,
very rich,
il a servi Dieu
he served God
toute sa vie.
his whole life.
David,
David,
trop riche,
very rich,
roi,
a king,
il a servi Dieu.
he served God.
Ézéchias,
Hezekiah,
roi,
king,
trop riche,
very rich,
il a servi
he
Dieu.
served God.
Pourquoi tu jalouses ta soeur?
Why are you jealous of your sister?
Pourquoi tu jalouses ton frère?
Why are you jealous of your brother?